Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS4 error code SU-35642-0. Method 1. Restore licenses. Just go to Settings. Select Account Management. Select Restore License. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have in your internet connection. Once done, see if the error code SU-35642-0 is fixed. Method 2. Use manual DNS and MTU. Open the Settings menu on the PS4. Select Network. Go to Set up Internet Connection, then select the Wi-Fi or LAN cable option depending on how you connect. Here, I'm using the Wi-Fi Connect. Next, select the Custom option. Select a Wi-Fi network to utilize if required, and enter the password for it. Choose the automatic option for IP address settings. Select the Do Not Specify DHCP setting. Choose the Manual DNS setting. Here, I will try with Cloudflare DNS. I will select Primary DNS, then type 1.1.1.1. Next, select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select the Next. Select the Manual MTU option. Input 1473 as the MTU number and select Next to continue. Select the Do Not Use Proxy Server option. Finally, select Test Internet Connection, then check if error code SU-35642-0 is gone. Method 3. Power cycle the PS4 and router. We need to turn off the PS4 and the router. After that, unplug their power cable. Wait from 5 to 10 minutes. After that, replug the power cable and restart them. At last, check to see if this helps you or not. Method 4. Create new local user. First, we need to delete the local user by go to Settings. Go to Login Settings. Go to User Management. Select Delete User. Please, delete all user here. After that, create a new user and sign into your PSN account. And check if the problem is fixed. Method 5. Activate or reactivate as your primary PS4. Go to Settings. Select Account Management. Go to Activate as your primary PS4. If your account is not activated, then select Activate. Otherwise, choose Deactivate. Restart your PS4, then reactivate your account as your primary PS4, then check if error code SU-35642-0 is gone. Method 6. Try connecting to a different wireless network or different router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different wireless network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. Then check if the problem is gone. If using other network work for you, Then come back, connect to your network, and everything should work. Method 7. Rebuild database. To rebuild your PS4 database, make sure your PS4 is off, then hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. One upon pressing the button, another several seconds later. This should boot your PS4 into safe mode. Plug your PS4 controller into your PS4 via a USB cable. Bluetooth doesn't work on this screen, and press the PS button on the controller. In the Safe Mode page, select the Rebuild Database option. After a few minutes, your PS4 database should be rebuilt, and hopefully, the problem will be gone. Method 8. Check PS4 System Software Update. Go to the PlayStation homepage and check if the PS4 software version you are using matches the latest version available here. If your PS4 is running the latest firmware version, please move on to Method 9. If not, please update your PS4 system software. In case your PS4 fails to update automatically or the update process encounters problems, please manually update PS4 system software using a USB drive. To do that, please refer to the video linked in the description. Method 9. Initializing PS4. If the application's corrupted symptoms keep happening even after rebuilding the database, it's time to initialize PS4. Initialization of your PS4 system restores system settings to default values. This process is often referred to as a factory or hard reset. It deletes data saved on system storage and deletes all users and their data from the system. Finally, if none of the above worked, then you need check hardware such as hard drives, optical drives, and the cables connected to them. Please go to PS4 repair stores for the best support. If not, it might be time to buy a PS5 or PS5 Pro. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.